Okay, good afternoon, everybody. Well, slash morning. I'm actually going to leave pretty soon, like in maybe like 10-ish, 20-ish minutes to a photo shoot slash workshop thing that I got invited to participate in as a model. Um, I'm gonna be there from 1 to like 5. So like I'm just gonna show you guys what I usually do whenever I go to casting because everyone always asks me like, you're there for like 3 days. What do you do? So I'm gonna tell you guys what I do and like how it goes down and all that. And yeah, uh I don't know what I'm doing, but I'll see you guys on the flip side. Bye.
To a degree. Yeah, that signature look that you, and you should be workers with the D5. Where's that, the A50 you had? You have that. I rented, I can't, that's another story. I can't get, one reason I like shooting in here is one reason you can see the lights aren't plugged in, but I like shooting, turning it dark, black, and then I'll turn on the modeling lights on my lights. That's one reason I like using those. So I pick my spot. That light is directly behind me. We don't want to be adjust this a little bit. Just shouldn't change anything. Seven. Okay, close. You went to 12 now? Yes. So you're maxed out. Lower it. It's going to be higher and hotter now. Go. Okay, go quick. 6-3. There we go, right on the money. Stay right there.
Is that FA?
Yes.
We'll do with her against this wall. What do you think?
I guess since we're that close to the wall, I'm looking for texture on the wall. I like this texture of this.
Yeah, but
those
do
things.
you want her? How do you want her to look?
What do you mean? How do I want her to look?
I mean, do you want her just to stand like that? Or
No. I ain't got to her yet.
Oh. You can always, before you do that, you can always say, "May I touch you?"
Well, I didn't want to touch her. I'm just going to try to show her. You can do that
ask.
also.
You can say, "Can I touch you?" She says, "Yes." And then you can say, "Well, I'm just going to do this."
Yeah.
You see what I'm saying?
I hear what you're saying.
I just want you to be able to be comfortable to say that.
I understand. I appreciate that. Here's what I had in mind as I'm working it out, because I don't have a preconceived idea, so I'm working it out as I go. Right? Yeah. So my thing I'm going to ask you to do is just kind of position yourself like so. Now, facing this way, but I'm going to ask you to do something. There you go.
Beautiful.
Let's have you move that way a little bit. One thing at a time now, but stay here. Don't leave me. Okay. There you go. Yeah, just like that. Okay, that's what we're going to be going for. Didn't mean for it to be dead.
Oh, you're flashing
It's
everything
over
over
there.
there too. I don't think that one's flashing.
Is this flashing?
No. You didn't try it.
If I give a real expression.
Lean in, like just.
Yeah, give me some attitude, expression, whatever.
That's it.
Yeah, that's it. Look up, eyeball up this way. That's the chin, just eyeball. There you go, hold that. F8.
Keep it there. Lean in like that. Really in. Tilt your head down.
Yeah, I was at F9. I'm sitting on an F8. Is that where we were?
Look down.
Okay.
And I want you to turn your shoulder this way. Trust me. So that's it, bro.
Oh, yeah, you right. There you go.
Mean. good, but don't just let it hang.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so go like this.
Is it doing it?
I like that. I've always liked that.
Let's try that. Wow.
You can even do it like this, you know. You see what I'm saying? How
Yeah.
take the shot if you can.
I don't have a trick machine.
Oh. Man, you missing poses here. Yo.
Hey, Sharonda. Sharonda, is that right? All right, girls. All right, here it is. There you go. Great.